you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare banana kesari bath or balehannina shira. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare banana shira. We need half cup clarified butter, 1 cup suji or rava or semolina, 1 cup sugar, some cashews, raisins, pinch of salt, cardamom powder, 3 cups of water and banana. Let's start the preparation. Take 1 teaspoon of clarified butter in a small utensil. Once the ghee is hot, add cashews, raisins. Roast these for 2 to 3 minutes or until cashews and raisins become golden brown. Cashews and raisins have become golden brown. Let's take out these in bowl. I am going to keep this aside. In the same pan, I will add 1 more teaspoon of clarified butter. Add semolina or rava. Roast the rava on medium to low stove heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Roasting is done. Now we have to transfer this in plate. In the same utensil, I am going to add 3 cups of water. Allow this water to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Until water heats up, we can cut the banana. If you want small banana pieces in shira, you can cut banana into small pieces or you can slice banana. I will add this 1 whole banana. Once the water starts boiling, keep stove heat to medium. Add roasted rava. Stir it well. Add pinch of salt. 1 to 2 teaspoons of clarified butter. Give it a good mix so that there are no lumps. For making shira, you have to take little coarse rava. If you take very fine rava, then you have to stir it very well. Once you see rava starts thickening, we have to add sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to add banana slices. Now we have to add remaining clarified butter. And cardamom powder for flavor. Gently mix it one more time. Now we can add roasted cashews and raisins as well. Now close the lid and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium stove heat. It's almost 6 minutes now. Shira is ready. Switch off the stove. You can see Shira is looking very soft and it has cooked properly. Same way you can make pineapple Shira, mango Shira and lot of varieties. How to make pineapple Shira and mango Shira I have already shown in my previous videos. You can check that links in description box below. Banana Shira is ready to serve. Making banana Shira is very simple. You can prepare it in less than 10 minutes. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.